In performance testing, if we identify our application utilizing high memory usage and it continues to grow, we take few steps to identify this issue and what can be the symptoms that leads to the high memory consumptions. We conduct performance testing to test the speed, response time, stability, scalability, and resource usage for our applications in a particular workload. The main purpose of the performance testing is to identify and eliminate the performance bottlenecks in software testings. So we take certain steps to identify these issues. So the first would be checking the current memory usage in the server. The second would be checking CPU, the memory usage of our applications, and database server under the peak load conditions. We can use these commands to identify the issues. Command free, for instance, it is used to find the current memory usage of our application running in the server. And command sort, that's the security activity report, so which is used to find the history of the workloads that happened in the particular day. And command top, that is used to find the current memory running process, and it gives us the options to sort the running process based on its resource. So these are the steps that can be used to identify the issue. There can be certain symptoms that leads to the high memory usage. The first would be accessing the unavailable files or resources that leads to the high memory usage, and leaving the session without closing it, and number of increasing in number of failed access attempts, and does not have a proper restart. So maybe there are some leftovers before the restart. So these are the steps and the symptoms that can lead to the high memory usage. The techniques and tools which I learned during this pandemic was security expertise, so which gives me the insights of providing maximum security and maximum availability to the applications. And the second would be SOAP UI. So it is a functional testing that completes the RESTful API and SOAP web service testing. And the third would be QPT. It's the micro focused unified functional testing tools. So these are the tools and techniques which I learned during this pandemic.